Wyoming's ugliest city. Afton is a town with about 2,000 people, located in the western side of the state near the Idaho border. Afton was recently included in a list put out by the travel site A Lot as being the ugliest city in Wyoming. Which begs the question, what does Afton, Wyoming look like? This video is a collection of videos and images of Afton. Do you think it looks ugly? Does Afton look ugly? Now that you have seen images of the city, what do you think? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to like and subscribe. The primary reason for making this video is we heard this ugly city list on a local TV news broadcast, and found Afton on the same list as Detroit, Gary, Indiana, and Camden, New Jersey. We don't see the similarity. Thanks for watching. See you on our next travel highlights video.